Hi, you want to customize action button on the iPhone 16? Then open settings, go in the action button section, and here swipe left or right to see all of the features. There are plenty of features such as magnifier, torch, Shazam, and translate. And in some features, you will be able to choose a type of feature. For example, in the control tab, you can choose type of control. So just swipe down or up to see the full list, and now you can set for the action button, for example, to enable or disable dark mode. Also, we have the same for the accessibility and shortcut. But for now, let's choose to enable flashlight, for example. So save the changes by simply going back, and now the action button you can find on the left side of your iPhone, just above the volume up button. And here it is. How to use it? You just need to press it once, and in my case, flashlight will be enabled, just like that. To disable it, just press it again. So do not just simply touch it, you will need to press and hold it for a couple of seconds. Now let's go back to the setting and choose something else for the action button. For example, let's choose to open camera. Here we can also choose a folder, a type of camera we want to open, for example, photos, or selfie, or video, or portrait selfie. Let's select the selfie one, and now let's test it. So I'm pressing this button, and as you can see, selfie mode enables just within a couple of seconds. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.